Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've just sat down and just played with makeup, had some fun, and I just wanted to do something a little bit colorful today, but it's super easy, so don't worry. Yeah, if you want to know how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. I feel like it's been ages since I've sat down and just filmed a makeup look. I feel like recently I've just been taking some time, I don't want to say off YouTube, because it's not like I'm not doing YouTube for however long, but I've just needed a couple weeks to basically do my podcast, which I'm currently working on, and we're getting closer to finishing it, which is good. And I just feel like it involves a lot of planning. What I find the hardest with doing this podcast is that it's not as easy as getting up, getting ready to film, and on a day that you feel like it, and then just get filming and everything works around me. What I'm finding really hard is that hoping that other people see the value in what I'm doing, which I know is super valuable, that's the thing. And second of all, what I find hard is that I'm trying to go off somebody else's timing and not my own, and I have to kind of prioritize theirs. So yeah, this is really different for me, and where I'm trying to juggle like Instagram and YouTube and then a whole new huge project, and then just general personal life, mental health and all of that. It's not easy. I just needed a hot minute away, not away from YouTube, but I just didn't really have time to do videos. I feel like at the moment I'm overthinking what I want to film, rather than just kind of doing what I'm doing today, which is I just want to put makeup on. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit and chat to you guys. Yeah, and I haven't done that in a while. I also feel like YouTube has changed so much recently that I don't even know what people want to see. What do you want to see? Let me know in the comment section. Do you still like seeing makeup tutorials? And where I feel I don't know, we're not leaving the house, or we're on lockdown, or coronavirus, Black Lives Matter, there are other bigger problems going on in the world. I don't know. I just don't know. Sometimes you just get to this point where you've been doing something so much that, yeah, it's just everything is a bit cloudy. So I'd really love it if you could help me out. So guys, I'm just patting this foundation all over my face, and I'm just taking the remainder that's on my brush, a teeny amount just on my forehead. I don't really like a lot of foundation on my head at the moment, especially if my skin is looking slightly clearer, then there's no need, kind of thing. So next I'm gonna cream contour with my Charlotte Tilbury contour one, and I haven't used this in a while, but I love this product. I'm just gonna dot this around all the areas that I like to contour, so on my cheeks, my temples, and a little bit down my nose. And then I'm gonna take this, what is this? The Too Faced Born This Way concealer in natural beige and light beige, when I just want to brighten it up. So I'm just gonna dot on natural beige first, and then with light beige, I'm just gonna take it just in between, just to brighten. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. So I'm gonna start off with the contoured areas first, and just blend that all in circular motions. How have we all been anyway? How is, coronavirus treating you? I hope everyone is well. How's coronavirus treating you? What a stupid question. I mean, how are you coping? I hope you and your family are well. Yeah, it's just such weird times at the moment. I just feel so uncertain. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all of these areas out just by patting and stippling. Guys, do you like doing eye makeup more or face makeup more? And do you like it when I include all of it in one video? I always feel like it's really long, but I don't know. Oh my god, guys, this concealer blends out so nicely. The coverage is just so amazing, and then it's just so creamy. Hello snatched under eyes. Where are my dark circles now, huh? I love it when I kind of don't use a product in ages, and then I use it, and then I just fall in love with it all over again. It's the fun thing about makeup. I'm just gonna pat in between where the concealer and the contour kind of just meets. Basically, this is what you want it to look like. This is what you don't want it to look like. Wow. That is a real true before and after. So just pat with your foundation brush, no excess product, just so that they blend and are seamless. That is the trick. So guys, recently loads of you told me to get this Chanel like translucent powder, and this is in 20 translucent. Anyway, there are shades to this, but so I did get it. I'm not sure if I got the right shade, but it does work for me. Anyway, I'm gonna use it in this video just so you can see. It is quite light, meaning lightweight. The shade is actually really light as well, and it smells like most Chanel products, which is like perfumed. But I'm just patting this on underneath my eyes, basically all the areas that I highlighted. And I guess, I mean, this powder, it's lightweight, but you don't want to use too much of it. I don't know if I would use it on my mum, like on mature skin, just because I feel like it still can look a little drying. Like for me, it's just about okay, but if you've got really dry under eyes, I don't know if I'd recommend, to be honest. But then the powder is like really nice and brightening. I mean, it does set your makeup. It is a good powder. So annoying. Like, you know when you just want to go makeup shopping? You know when you just want to go to Westfield, or you want to go clothes shopping? Like, I just want to go shopping. I freaking love shopping so much. I mean, that isn't the be all and end all in life right now. It's this is serious first world problem. So please don't come for me. I'm fully aware of what's going on in the world, and I fully know that shopping isn't a priority, or me wanting to go shopping and all of that. We've got people going through bigger problems right now with the virus, and an even bigger virus of racism. So yeah, but I'm just, you know, I'm just expressing the things that I miss as like a normal human being, but I'm not taking into account everything else. Jesus, it gets so complicated. I feel like these days when I'm online, I feel like I need to watch what I say even more, and that's not fun. And where people have been home a lot more because of coronavirus and everything, I feel like people have got way more free time to like talk shit and write hate and be mean. And I'm not just speaking like to myself. This is a few influencers feel like this. But yeah, I've noticed it for myself, like where people will just message me really horrible stuff, or being really rude or judgmental, or not fully grasping or understanding like how I've said something or why I've said something, or they just haven't understood it. And when you try and explain it to them, they don't understand. Like they just want to continue to be rude. And I'm maybe that's another reason why I'm kind of not wanting to jump on here and make videos, because I'm like, okay, I can come in here and make normal videos of me sitting and chatting, but I don't want anyone to think that I'm not paying attention to what's going on in the world or anything, you know. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but this is the real truth, to be honest. Oh my god, guys, so many of you asked me also for a review for the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I didn't do a review because I originally got shade 3 first. Then I found that shade 3 worked, but it was really warm, really dark. I'm gonna show you it actually. This is shade 3, and I mean, yeah, that's dark, and I can make it work, but it's dark. So I was like, let me try shade 2. By the time shade 2 came, I feel like the video would have just gone up so late on YouTube that no one even cares. This is shade 2 right here, and this is shade 3. So you can see there's a huge shade jump or difference. I would say shade 2 works best for me now. So if you want my shade, definitely get shade 2, because you can build it up. You don't want to go in with something that's too dark and then you have to just go in with a little bit. I don't know. I would rather go in with something buildable. And the bronzer is actually really nice. Today I'm going to try a new bronzer. This is from NARS. The shade is called Samoa, and this is it right here. I'm actually really excited to use this. Oh, okay. She's pigmented. Right, do you know what I did? That's my fault. I went in there, swirling my brush around, thinking, how dark is it gonna be? But okay, she's warm. I'm gonna go in with a little less on this side. Yes, that's better. It's buildable. Okay, I like it. It's really, you can tell, like the way it's in the pan, it looks smooth in the pan, but it's definitely smooth on the skin. Today, actually, I have a Zoom event with NARS, which I'm really excited about, because they've sent cocktails and they've sent like cocktail glasses. So yeah, actually, I got a mocktail because I'm not drinking this year. Well, I don't know about this whole year, but currently I'm not drinking, and I haven't drank this whole year so far. I don't know, I just haven't felt like it. And where I've also injured my back, I feel like alcohol is probably not the best thing when you're trying to heal your bones and your muscles and stuff like that. So also, I just don't really care about alcohol that much all the time. For me, it's very much like I need a purpose, like I need a reason to drink. I don't just like sitting and drinking, to be fair. That is no judgment or no shade to anyone that does like it, but yeah, I don't know, like, what am I gonna do drinking at home in lockdown? I'm like at home with my parents. It's not that fun. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with some Fenty highlighter. Where are all the new highlighters, by the way? Like, I am not seeing any come out in any launches. Ooh, jeez. Yeah, I'm not seeing any new highlighters come out, like in any collections. I mean, there's a lot of bronzer going on at the moment, which I get, summertime and everything. With bronzer should come highlight, you know, you want to glow in the summer. Where on holiday were you guys meant to be going this year that you couldn't go to? I think I was, yeah, well, not I think. I was supposed to go to Dubai for my friend's hen. That obviously didn't happen. Guys, this highlighter is actually still one of my favorites, so okay, I don't need a new highlight. Yeah, I don't know where else I was supposed to be going. South of France as well for my friend's wedding. What else did I have? I think maybe that's all I had actually booked. But, you know, as for like last minute trips or anything, yeah, that wasn't gonna happen. I think I wanted to go to Ibiza actually this year. Yes, I wanted to go to Ibiza in August, I think for my birthday or something, with my friend. But obviously I feel like everyone's answer like to everything this year is, I wanted to do this but Corona, I want to do that but Corona, I wanted to get married but Corona. Like literally, Corona ruined everything. But at the same time, I feel like although Corona ruined everything, it gave everybody a chance to slow down a little bit. For me, it didn't let me slow down. For me, it let me catch up with everything else I need to do, because where I wasn't going anywhere, I'm like, okay, I can finally do all the stuff that I wanted to do at home now. Guys, the highlighter is rude. I'm gonna take this blush by NARS. This is called Thrill and it's super pink, so I'm gonna be really careful with how much I apply because I'm not really a real pink blush kind of gal. I like more peachy pink, but this is like a baby pink. But I think because I'm using it with like my dirty blusher brush that normally has peachy pink on it, it's not too bad. So let's move on to the eyes, and I'm taking my Louise Base in the shade 02, and I was about to apply it straight. Actually, yeah, go on then. Let's just get it on the eyes. I'm gonna do one eye at a time, and the best way to apply this product is to just pat this. And I feel like it's been so long since I've created a look using this. You know, when a Louise Base is going on, you know you're about to do something fun. You don't just put Louise on for a joke. No, this just really helps your eyeshadows stand out. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this Huda Beauty Neon palette. This is the, I don't know what this one is called. But anyway, it's the one with these colors in there. I'm starting off with this kind of lilac shade. I'm just gonna take this right into the crease, and I'm just gonna go back and forth and basically build this shade up in the crease. Oh, I love this shade. At this point, don't worry if it looks messy, because it's going to. And then just the same again on this eye. Have I done color recently on my channel? I don't remember. I've missed it. I feel like I've done color a bit on my Instagram. I always feel like whenever I'm doing my eyeshadow, this eye turns out so much better than this eye. Isn't that weird? Even though like I'm like on the opposite side. And then I'm gonna go into this Huda Beauty Lilac Pastel palette, and I'm going to take this shade mainly, maybe a little mix of this, but mainly this shade. And I'm gonna blend this harsh line out with that. So I'm gonna take the brush kind of over it just to blend it out. And I'm just trying to be really careful with how far high I take it. I mean, with this kind of colorful look, it does look quite nice if the color goes up quite high, but when you start taking the color really high, it changes the look. It takes it from being, I don't know, it takes it from being like a normal beauty look to an editorial look, in my opinion. So then I'm gonna go ahead with that first purple shade, and I'm just gonna pat it right over my lid. I love purple on the eyes. It's so complementary to brown eyes, green eyes, hazel eyes, I think even blue eyes, but definitely more brown and green. And then going back into this palette, I'm gonna take this shade just on my finger and I'm gonna pat this on. Let's see if it even works. Yeah, just to add like a little something, just right in the center. And you can kind of disperse it out, but mainly just right here. Kind of like a halo eye, but not a halo eye. It's like we're giving a spotlight in the middle, but without the technicalities, you know? I'm really loving doing makeup that is effective, but really easy to do at the moment. Yeah, I just prefer it. I'll get back into doing cut creases and all of that stuff real soon, but I'm just enjoying this for now. Let me know, like, what do you prefer? Do you prefer looks that are effective but easy, like this? Or do you prefer like more technical looks, more like cut crease, halo eyes, yeah, stuff like that. Right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wing liner off camera just so I can breathe, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I've just applied my liner. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty mascara, which I recently did a review on. Go ahead and check that out if you wanna know more. I quite like it, so I'm just going in with the volume side first. So then let's just go into curl and length. And we are gonna be applying false lashes, so I mean, it doesn't have to be a crazy amount of mascara. I'm then just gonna take that lilac color, the matte one, just underneath the eyes. And then I'll just like take the same shades that I used to blend the edge, just to blend right underneath. Guys, I recently have been loving no makeup days. I can't go a whole week without wearing any makeup, and then there's times like this where I go ham and I put all of it on and then I'm like, oh, I've fallen in love with it again. It just is such, I don't know, it's not just a transformation, but you just feel so good about yourself when you see yourself like, you know, not looking trampy. Okay guys, so I've put some lashes on. These are Tatti Lashes TL9. I'm now just going to line my lips with Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Flirt. Then I'm going in with the KKW X Mario Lipstick in the shade He's a Mixer, and this is just going all over my lips. And then I'm taking this new Dior lip gloss, and this is in the shade Dior, and I'm just going to pop this all over my lips. Oh my god, it smells nice and it feels nice, and the applicator is nice as well. So guys, this right here is the finished makeup look. I personally really like how it turned out. It's super girly, super pretty, and actually quite easy to do. You know, like I said, I am really loving doing more easier looks but have, you know, quite a lot of impact. So yeah, I hope you do too. Like I said at the start of this video, please let me know what you'd love to see, just because I'm feeling like I'm in a bit of a rut at the moment. So yeah, let me know what you'd like to see from me on my channel. Obviously get me on the gram, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I would really love to know, and also leave any of your comments down below. Hit the subscribe button, join the family. We're nearly at 200k subscribers. What the hell, please if you're not subscribed, please join. That's it. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.